Okay, I'm actually going to take an unboxing of the Pranamat Eco to have a look at what comes in the box. Now the great thing I love about it is not only is it a great quality, but it's completely sustainable. So let's take a look at the box and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. So the Pranamat Eco itself is actually made from natural biodegradable and renewable materials. So the actual mat cover is covered with 100% natural linen, which is a sustainable and durable fabric. The actual inner cushion as well is made from coconut fibre, which is a byproduct of the coconut industry. And the actual lotus petals, which you can see there, are constructed from non-toxic, hypoallergenic HIPS plastic. So the great thing with these is not only are they fantastic quality and will last for years, but they're very, very environmentally friendly as well. And all this can be recycled too. So you've got the mat there, which, as I said, you can use in the back, under your legs, on your tummy. There's that one. You've also got the pillow here as well. So here's a pillow. Now, as you can see, it's quite thick too, which is what I love. Again, with the lotus leaf in the back. Now, they say it comes with thousands of these lotus leaves. I'd say around 10,000 of them. And if you look closely, there is the spikes. So, if we go, see the spikes? So there's the size of my finger. So as you can see, they're quite a good size spike. And again, it may take you a while to get used to it. So there's the mat as well. Now again, fantastic quality. It's really, really lovely. Now, if you're going to be using these for pain relief, you need to go with something that's going to be durable, it's environmentally friendly, sustainable, that gets the job done. And here's the mat. So again, a lovely long mat. And again, you've got the user guide in here as well, which you can see. So there's a Pranamat Eco. Now, if you're right in sustainability, saving the environment, then this is perfect because, as I said, Pranamat uses sustainability materials, manufacturing, and overall design. So it's a great eco-friendly option for those seeking a perfect acupressure mat. And the other thing is, as I said, the one I did previously, it only lasted a few months, whereas this has actually got a 5-year guarantee. So it really is fantastic.